Good morning everyone, myself I am Spandana, I am from 9th standard. Good morning everyone, my name is Emlasia, I am from 9th standard. Today we have done the human digestive system project. This is mouth, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, liver, gallbladder, appendix and anus. The digestive system is a long twisting tube. It starts with the mouth, goes through the stomach, esophagus, large intestine, small intestine, and ends with the anus. The digestive system is a food breaking system. It helps such as carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Thank you.